This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cheryl Wadsworth. Beautiful, spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with additional office/library on a double lot. Just under an acre and a half of land in one of the most established neighborhoods in Melbourne. Open floor plan, large kitchen, Jack and Jill bedrooms/bathroom. Separate private guest room with private bathroom. Bright open office/library. Master suite with walk-in closet, double vanity with private pool access. 3-car, 1,600 square foot oversized garage. Plenty of space for your toys. New air conditioning system, central vacuum system, newer private pool, jacuzzi and massive covered patio for all of your outdoor entertaining. Great neighborhood for biking and walking and enjoying the outdoors. Close proximity to the beaches, Kennedy Space Center and 45 minutes drive to Orlando. Must see. For more information,